Hello to my Caribbean people. Just wanted to welcome you to our Sustainable Tourism Conference. Please come on down to San Pedro. Our conference is going to be held April 27th to the 30th. And of course, it's going to be a really exciting conference. The theme of our conference is tourism in full color, integrating the blue, green, orange, and beyond colors of tourism development into sustainable planning and development. Now, our conference is going to be an exciting one. It's going to be filled with high-intensity panel discussions. We're going to have a lot of interactive sessions. We're going to have breakout sessions. And of course, we're going to be leaving with a lot of content. We're encouraging all persons who love sustainability, who care about Caribbean tourism, to please come on down to our conference. And of course, at this conference, we encourage you to come for the conversations, develop the collaborations there, and leave with the solutions. So thank you so much, and we welcome you to our Sustainable Tourism Conference. See you in San Pedro, Belize, April 27 to the 30th. You better Belize it.